Look at that, that's perfect. Don't hand ice cream. Why are these chairs so short for this table?
I don't know.
79 December 1982.
Is that nice, Bye.
Petrol money for that.
Can we take a little minute to appreciate my daughter's artwork that she has started on her wall that she wants to hide her face? How cool is this? Come on, Nay, Nay. It's Wednesday today, and we are not going to baby group this morning. I've just dropped my 7-year-old off to school, and I've managed to convince my 16-year-old to get out of bed early and come with us for a walk. I don't know whether we're going to go to a beach for this morning or like a lake. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, we're gonna go and do that because it's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, and it makes sense just to be, come on, Nay, Nay. It makes sense to be outside instead of just inside. It's alright. Say hello. Ah. Freya, sit. Sit. Good girl.
Kingston Town.
Yeah, that's a good one.
See that?
All right, Kat, let's see. Let's get some.
Okay. And they're savory. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Heads up, hot dog. 1, 2, 3, count. Get ready to count. Get ready to count. Get ready to count. Get ready to count.
Hey, so it's Sunday today. I've just arrived at work, so I thought I'd do my video before and not after work this week. God, it's hot in here. And my aircon's run out, so I really need to go and fill that up because that is intense. So yeah, last week we ended up doing a few little bits here and there, as you can see from the video clips. Yesterday we went to that Caribbean festival. It was really good actually, but it was intensely hot and I couldn't get out of the sun. So you know when it becomes a little bit too much, when you just can't get some shade or get in a pool like you would on holiday. But overall that was a really good day. So tomorrow I have got a patch test for tattoo removal behind my ear. I've actually had a few sessions on this over the years, like 5 sessions, but it's still there. And I'm going to go to somebody else this time and hope her machine's stronger and I can just get it removed completely, because it seems to be taking a long time, a lot longer than I thought. So yeah, Tuesday I'm getting my hair done, which I can't wait for because I only get it done like once a year, like coloured. So getting my blonde all freshened up is going to be a pleasure. Can't wait for that. So yeah, and then through the week I've not got other plans. I might go to the beach with the girls because the weather's supposed to be really hot this week, so obviously I want to make the most of that. Yeah, and then Saturday we're having a party, so I think at ours, so I think I will be doing the little bits and pieces to prepare for that through the week. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.